Hey there friends, I'm back again with a new tutorial video. In this video, I will teach you how to set up two-factor authentication for your Microsoft account. First, you need to sign into your Microsoft account using your username and password at outlook.com or using the email you use when you sign up for a Microsoft account. Now, once logged in, click on the security option here. So please click it, and then you'll see an option to turn on or two-step verification. So here, please click it. So in the two steps verification, you need to click this one, turn on. So it will give you steps on how to set up your two-step verification. All you have to do is to click next. So Microsoft account will ask you, or Microsoft will ask you, how else can we verify your identity? You have a drop down there which you can have an option to use an app, an alternate email address, a phone number. So we'll choose an alternate email address, and then you input the alternate email address you have or a phone number here. Now, after you click next, please follow the on-screen instructions to set up your chosen two-factor authentication method. This may include scanning a QR code with your Authenticator app or entering a code sent to you via text message. So after completing the setup, confirm the two-factor authentication, and then it is now enabled for your Microsoft account. And that's it. You now know how to set up two-factor authentication for your Microsoft account. Your account is now more secure and you'll have an extra layer of protection. Remember, two-factor authentication adds a crucial layer of security to your online accounts. It's a small step that can make a big difference in keeping your information safe. Thank you for learning with me today. Once again, thank you for watching how to set up two-factor authentication for your Microsoft account. See you on my next video.